Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your visualization tools with Google Data Studio. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to Google Data Studio by entering the URL in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. To create a new report, click on the blank report option or the plus sign. Now, you'll see a prompt asking you to choose a data source. Select the data source you want to use, such as Google Sheets, Google Analytics, or any other available option. If your desired data source isn't listed, click on the Create New Data Source button. Follow the prompts to connect your new data source. Once connected, click Add to Report to integrate the data into your project. Your report layout will now appear, showcasing a blank canvas. To begin visualizing your data, click on the Add a Chart button located on the toolbar. Choose from a variety of chart types, such as bar graphs, line charts, or tables. After selecting a chart type, drag it onto your canvas where you want it to appear. Now, configure the chart by clicking on it and accessing the data properties on the right. Adjust your dimension and metric selections to fit the data you need to visualize. You can also apply filters to refine the information displayed in your chart. To add more visualizations, repeat the same steps for additional charts or graphs. Feel free to rearrange and resize the visual components on your canvas for a cleaner layout. To make your report interactive, consider adding filter controls from the toolbar. Select the type of filter you want and place it on the canvas for easy data segmentation. After finishing all visualizations, preview your report by clicking the View button in the top right corner. Make any necessary adjustments based on how your report looks during the preview. Once satisfied with your layout and data representation, click on the Share button. Here you can choose to invite collaborators or create a shareable link to your report. Finally, explore the option to schedule email delivery for regular report updates. Always revisit and refine your visualizations as your data evolves or as new insights emerge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.